Taoiseach Simon Harris's chief Fine Gael organiser has stepped aside from a probe into bullying in the party. Now, Fine Gael stands accused of failing to properly deal with allegations of bullying and intimidation. The party's Secretary-General, John Carroll, has recused himself from involvement in the probe as the complainant claims he has not responded adequately to evidence of bullying. So the investigation is highly embarrassing for Fine Gael as ministers accuse Sinn Féin of not operating to high standards in the scandal over the party's references for child sex offender. An internal Fine Gael disciplinary committee will meet today to assess a formal complaint from a long-serving member. Fine Gael has declined to comment on the matter. Now, the controversy casts a shadow over Mr Harris's ambitions to win a seat back in a key constituency in the election. The allegations of bullying in Waterford date back to before the last general election, but in a letter to the Taoiseach, the female complainant says she was impacted by the events that took place at the time. You can follow this story in detail in the Irish Independent.